What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Busting Open. Right now we have the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. This is the 2024 Hot Wheel, and I kind of cracked it open a little bit here, for just about pretty much. I didn't want to make too much noise when I was making the video, so let's finish opening it up here. All right, throw that to the side. That's the info right there if you guys want to see. Exotic supercars, always ready for the race. We got the little display here. We'll put that on later on, but let's take a closer look here. All right, I love the shiny red. I'm a red guy. I love some red. The 86 is popping out, nice and white. Wheels got a nice little spin to it. I'm trying to see the little decal, the Porsche symbol there. Can't hardly see it, but it's all right. Now I wish that like the old Hot Wheels and back in the day, they used to have the muffler and the pipes and all that stuff. I wish we could get those. Some of them do, some of them don't, but you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so there's the front view. Here's the back. Let's see how she slides across. All right, one more time. Not bad. Once I build up my tracks, we'll get that going. But for the time being, I gotta still work on that. So let's put her here. Let's show her off a little bit. And there we have it. That is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and let me know what cars you want me to bust open. I thought she was gonna come rolling right off the panel there. All right, guys, so take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace.